Have you ever stopped to listen? The world is a concert hall of incredible sounds. A bird singing, a friend's laugh, the rumble of a truck. These sounds fill our world with excitement and wonder, but have you ever thought about how we hear them? Hearing is an amazing journey. It's a trip that takes sound from the world around us to the inside of our brains. Think of it like a relay race. Each part of our ear has a special job to do to get the sound to the finish line. Our brain. Sound is really just vibration. When something makes a sound, it causes the air around it to vibrate. These tiny vibrations travel through the air as waves, like ripples on a pond. We can't see these waves, but our ears are perfectly designed to catch them. Get ready because we're about to explore the fascinating world of sound and how our ears unlock its secrets. The adventure begins with the part of the ear we can see, the outer ear. It's shaped like a funnel for a reason. Its curves and folds help to collect sound waves from the air, much like a satellite dish gathers signals from space. Once the sound waves enter the outer ear, they travel down a short tunnel called the ear canal. Imagine sliding down a playground slide. That's what the sound waves are doing, moving towards the middle ear. At the end of the ear canal is a thin, delicate membrane called the eardrum. This little drummer is about to get a workout. When the sound waves reach the eardrum, they make it vibrate. If the sound is loud, the eardrum vibrates with big movements. If the sound is soft, the vibrations are much smaller. But the eardrum isn't working alone. Attached to it are three tiny bones called the hammer, anvil, and stirrup. These bones are the smallest bones in your entire body. They act like a chain reaction, amplifying the vibrations from the eardrum. Imagine a domino effect, with each domino a little bigger than the last. That's how the hammer, anvil, and stirrup work together to make the sound vibrations even stronger. Section 4. Signals from the inner ear. The stirrup, the last bone in the chain, is connected to another important part of the ear, the cochlea. The cochlea looks like a tiny snail shell and is filled with fluid and thousands of tiny hair cells. When the stirrup vibrates, it causes the fluid in the cochlea to move in waves. These waves then tickle the tiny hair cells, bending them back and forth. Now here's where the magic happens. When the hair cells bend, they create electrical signals. It's like flipping a switch and turning sound into a whole new language that our brain can understand. Section 5. The brain, the ultimate sound machine. These electrical signals travel along the auditory nerve, a special pathway all the way to the brain. Think of it as a super-fast train delivering important information. The brain is an incredible organ. It's like a powerful computer that decodes the electrical signals from the ear. It figures out the loudness, the pitch, and the direction of the sound. Then, it tells us what we're hearing, whether it's a whisper, a song, or the loud roar of a lion. Section 6. Protect your precious hearing. Hearing is a gift, and like any gift, we need to take care of it. Loud noises can damage the delicate hair cells in the inner ear. Once these hair cells are damaged, they don't grow back. So, how can you protect your hearing? Turn down the volume on your headphones, wear earplugs at concerts or when you're around loud noises, and be careful not to put anything in your ears that doesn't belong there. By taking care of our ears, we can keep enjoying all the wonderful sounds that the world has to offer, from the quietest whisper to the grandest symphony.